Whether you're doing some DIY around the home, have a project you're tackling in the garden, or working on site or remotely in a professional capacity, a foldable workbench is one of the best all-around items you can own. Modern workbenches are portable, compact, and lightweight, whilst being able to comfortably support hundreds of kilograms of weight. There are many products available for portable workbench to choose from, each with different quality features, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable workbench from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. Don't forget to check my description for price and other information. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Works Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse, Fold and Go. More than just a workbench for garage use, the Pegasus goes anywhere you need extra support. It's easy to pop open for setup, it folds down compact to save on storage space, and fits under your arm for comfortable carrying. 2-in-1 design. Seamlessly transition between a workbench and a sawhorse to tackle projects of all sizes. Heavy-duty support. As a portable workbench, it offers a high load-bearing capacity up to 300 pounds. As a sawhorse, it supports an impressive 1,000 pounds. From bulky lumber to potted plants and bikes to heavy equipment, Pegasus can handle the pressure. Easily expandable. If you need more room, simply add another work support table such as the Pegasus, the Sidekick, or clamping sawhorse. They're all the same height and use the same connectors for seamless attachment. Large surface area. With a surface size of 31 x 25 and a working height of 32, this folding work table provides enough space to suit a variety of applications, from staining and woodworking to painting and repairs. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench. The Black Plus Decker iconic Workmate WM425, a portable project center and vise, is a classic portable workbench and sawhorse for clamping, painting, cutting, and more. With a 550 pounds capacity, portable design and innovative one-handed clamping system, the Workmate WM425 offers carpenters, mechanics, enthusiasts, and woodworkers the versatility they need to get the job done. Built with a heavy-gauge steel frame and bamboo laminate worktop, this bench's rugged design is easy to set up, break down and store away, thanks to adjustable dual-height legs. The Workmate's adjustable jaws, vertical clamping and 4 adjustable swivel pegs make clamping odd-shaped objects easy. It provides you with 1 to 9/16" vertical clamping, 7.5" parallel clamping, 19" parallel peg clamping, and 30" diagonal peg clamping. Includes 1. Black Plus Decker WM425 Workmate 425 Portable Workbench. 4. Swivel pegs. Number 3. Seville Classics Ultra Graphite Wood Top Workbench. This versatile and multifunctional Seville Classics Ultra Graphite Wood Top Workbench on wheels, with sliding organizer drawer, is constructed from industrial strength powder-coated steel. This durable workbench features a 1-inch thick polyurethane-coated solid wood top and 3-inch casters, 2-lock. The steel drawer features 2 stainless steel drawer pull handles, commercial-grade ball-bearing sliders, and 2 adjustable dividers, with 7 mounting positions. Partition the drawer into different width compartments and store up to 30 pounds of tools, parts and more. The workbench measures 24 inches deep by 48 inches wide by 37.5 inches high. This must-have workbench is ideal for use in garages, warehouses, mailrooms, basements or workshops. Number 4. Father's Day Gifts FedMax Workbench, Multi-Purpose. The spacious surface can be a portable workbench for garage, mobile kitchen island for extra counter space, computer workstation for working from home, or as a crafting table. Portable. Includes customizable feet and locking wheels. The workbenches for shop projects are effortless to roll around, whether indoor or outdoor. Go wheel-less by simply switching out the heavy-duty casters with the leveler feet. Adjustable height. With 14 different height settings, you can customize the workbench legs to a height level that accommodates shares of the task at hand, whether it is carving, sewing, priming, painting, staining, woodworking, or car repairs. 1 thick acacia wood. 4 feet butcher block surface of sustainable material is solid, durable, smooth, scratch-resistant, and low maintenance. Note: assembly of these workbenches for garage is required but is easy. Includes detailed instructions. Dimensions: 48W×20L×28 to 44H, sturdy. Our garage workbench has an indestructible steel frame and solid wood surface that can withstand Thor's hammer. The feet levelers adjust to avoid any annoying wobbles for building models, gardening jobs, gun cleaning, soldering, making jewelry, or to mount dual monitors on. Number 5. 2x4 Basics 90164 MI Custom Workbench. The Hopkins 90164 2x4 Basics Workbench and Shelving Storage System offers an easy fix to custom shelving. All the hardware is included, just add the size lumber you want, lumber not included. Simple assembly with only a powered screwdriver and a saw, no miter or angle cuts necessary. Ideal for the garage and shed. The shelf links are durable and sturdy, giving you the ability to easily organize your items onto storage shelving. Create a work and storage space that truly fits your needs with the 2x4 Basics Workbench Assembly Kit. This innovative do-it-yourself system lets you easily assemble a custom workbench in less than an hour. All you need is some plywood and 2x4s and you'll have a workbench that will meet all your project and storage requirements. Use the included bonus shelf links kit to add shelving to the top or sides of your workbench. View larger. 2x4 Basics Workbench Assembly Kit at a glance helps you build a customized workbench with a height of 36 inches, assembles in less than 1 hour. Each shelf holds up to 1,000 pounds, 400 kilograms. This do-it-yourself system lets you create a bench that's the exact size you want it to, 8 by 4 feet be just adding lumber, not included. Assembly is incredibly easy, thanks to the included, easy-to-follow instructions and cut lists. All you need is a powered screwdriver and a saw, no other tools are necessary. For added convenience, only straight, 90-degree cuts are required, no miters or anglers, and all the hardware you'll need is included in the kit. When assembly is completed, the work surface height will measure approximately 36 inches, 90 centimeters. Advanced engineering meets strong, durable construction. Sturdy 2x4 framing and advanced engineering make this kit stronger and more stable than most other workbench solutions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. To get more information or if you want to know product price, do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.